Good morning, dear students. Suraj School Rewari presenting class 8 explanation of chapter 5 Verbs Models. I am Mrs. Bubbly, TGT English teacher, a faculty of Suraj School. Let's start with today's topic. First, let us discuss what do you mean by model. A model is a verb used with another verb. Here, another verb is nothing but the main verb to express the mood or the attitude of the speaker. स्पीकर का एटीट्यूड और मूड बताने के लिए ये यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टीना कैन स्पीक 5 लैंग्वेजेस. सो हियर in this sentence, the can is expressing the idea of speaker's ability. It's showing the speaker ability. Can is showing the ability of the speaker. And it does not express by the main verb. Here in this sentence, main verb is speak and the model is can. So speak is not expressing the main idea. Therefore can is the मॉडल. तो इस वजह से कैन मॉडल है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, मॉडल इज यूज टू कन्वे द आइडिया ऑफ परमिशन, possibility, ability, advice, necessity, offer, etc. There are many more things, like you can say probability, obligation, suggestion, and many more. The most commonly used modal are can. मोस्टली कौन से मॉडल्स यूज होते हैं? दैट इज कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, विल, वुड, शेल, शुड, मस्ट एंड ऑट टू. And there are 3 more, that is dare, need and used to, which are called semi modals. Semi modal, जिनको आप semi modal बोलते हो. Please remember this. This is very important that dare, need and used to you will not call as them as models. It is semi models. Move on to the second point. Permission. For permission we use 3 models, that is may, can, could. May, can and could. Now I will be telling you that how you can use this in a very easy way. First move on to may. May is very formal. It is used by people in a subordinate position. It is not often used in speech. Speech में यूज नहीं होता है, सबॉर्डिनेट के द्वारा यूज किया जाता है. वो अपने सीनियर के लिए यूज करता है. जैसे मे वी स्पीक टू द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, वो अपने सीनियर को बोलता है कि क्या हम मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर से बात कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर वो ये नहीं बोलेगा कैन वी स्पीक टू द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, दे विल से मे. नाउ मूव ऑन टू कैन. कैन इज डायरेक्ट. कैन डायरेक्टली बोलना होता है, इनफॉर्मल होता है एंड फ्रेंडली. मीन्स फ्रेंड्स को बोल सकते हो, नेबर्स को बोल सकते हो. इट इज यूज अमंग फ्रेंड्स एंड क्लोज रिलेटिव्स in a simple language. Now move on to could. Could is less direct. Could can से थोड़ा सा कम डायरेक्ट एंड मोर पोलाइटर देन कैन, पर बहुत ज़्यादा पोलाइट है कैन से. इट इज़ ऑफन यूज फॉर द स्ट्रेंजर, मतलब कोई अनजान है, जैसे कि कोई आपसे वे पूछ रहा है. सो जो अननोन है, इमिटेटिंग एन अननोन पर्सन, आप बोल सकते हो, देयर वी विल यूज could. Now the permission consists of 3 different types. That is, the first one is asking permission, second is giving permission, third is talking about permission. So पहला क्या है आपका asking permission. permission पूछने के लिए क्या यूज करोगे? can, could and may. For example, you can say, can I use your pen for a while? Could you send me a sample copy? May we speak to the managing director? These are the example for asking permission. Now, giving permission. Giving permission means permission देना. उसके लिए आप यूज करोगे कैन एंड मे. यू विल नॉट यूज कुड फॉर गिविंग परमिशन. यू विल नॉट यूज कुड. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैन आई यूज योर calculator? Of course you can. So here they have used can. You can wait in my office if you like. You can wait in my office if you like. So you are giving a permission over here. So you can use here can and may, but not could. Now move on to the next one, that is talking about permission. The next one is talking about permission. It should be related to law. If the policy is there related to the permission, that is called law. Here you will always use can, and in a negative form you can use cannot. You cannot park here means there is no parking sign. It is a law that you cannot park here. So you are talking to a person regarding a permission related to law. Now move on to the exercise. The exercise part. Now see in the exercise, complete these sentence with can, could, may. Their negatives may be required in certain cases. कुछ cases ऐसे हैं, there you will write down not. So here in this, let me just zoom it. In this, can is used for informal, could is used for the stranger, and may is used for formal. Remember this. Can is used for informal, could stranger, may formal. So move to the exercise. Complete these sentences. Number 1, the first sentence, mother. So here someone is talking to a mother. I am awfully hungry. So a son or a daughter may be talking to the mother. Hungry, full stop, dash, I eat another slice of coconut cake. मैं हंग्री था, इस वजह से मैंने क्या किया, एक और पीस कोकोनट केक का खा सकता हूँ कि नहीं, ये पूछा है. कैन आई ईट अनदर पीस. सो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा, कैन. द फर्स्ट वन विल बी कैन बिकॉज द पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग टू his or her mother. Mother means family member, so it is informal. For informal you are using can. So here it will be can. Move on to the second one. This is private property. This is private property. You dash take photograph here. So this is based on law. This is based on law. So for law you will use only can. Only can. But here the sense is becoming negative. So you are using cannot. This is private property. You cannot take photographs here. Move on to the third one. A car driver to a pedestrian. Dash, you please tell me the direction to the hotel. Here the car driver is asking to the pedestrian, means कोई रास्ते में चल रहा है और वो उससे पूछ रहा है एड्रेस, तो वो उसे जानता नहीं है. Here he is asking the address to a stranger, so you will use here could. Move on to the fourth one. Employee टॉकिंग टू हर मैनेजर मीन्स एक एम्प्लॉय है जो मैनेजर से बात कर रहा है. इसी से आपको पता चल रहा है ये फॉर्मल है, तो इसमें क्या यूज होगा, मे. सो आपने डायरेक्टली वहां पर मे लिख दिया है. नेक्स्ट, वीना टू अ फ्रेंड मीन्स हियर वीना इज टॉकिंग टू हिज फ्रेंड आस्किंग परमिशन और गिविंग परमिशन. So directly you can use can here. Move to sixth. Student to a teacher. This is a formal, so you will use may. May I come to meet you tomorrow, ma'am? Teacher. If teacher is saying yes, you can. Teacher will say yes, you can, because she is the senior. Vishal in seventh, Vishal to his elder brother. Vishal elder brother means close relative. So here you will use can. Dash we leave our bag at the reception. So you are talking to an unknown person. Could we leave our bags to the reception? So here it will be could. Yes, you may means now reception is talking to a person. So here you will use may. Sneha to her neighbor. Neighbor means can. 10th one. You dash cross the road only at zebra crossing. This is based on the law. The last one is based on the law, and I told you for law you have to use can. So done with the complete exercise, move on to the answer. The exercise 1, this is the solution of exercise number 1. Move on to next topic of the same chapter, that is possibility. For possibility we are using may, might and could. If a possibility happened in present or future, we'll use directly may, might and could. May suggest a good possibility, might suggest a weak possibility and could suggest an extremely weak possibility. Remember this is very important. May not, might not are possible with this meaning but not could not. कभी भी could not use नहीं करेंगे. We will always use may not and might not. If a possibility is in past, possibility happened in past, we'll use may for a good possibility, but with may we will add have. May have verb third form, might have verb third form, could have verb third form. Next sentence, will use might or could plus have plus verb third form. This to say that something was possible in the past but did not happen, कि कुछ possible है past में पर वो चीज़ नहीं हुई है. We think it is good to happen. हम सोचते हैं कि अच्छी बात है ये चीज़ हुई है, तो उसके लिए हम may यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ विल से यू वर वेरी लकी, आप बहुत लकी हो. देयर कुड हैव बीन अ टेरेबल एक्सीडेंट, वहाँ पर एक्सीडेंट हो जाता, मीन्स एक्सीडेंट इज नॉट डन, सो इट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. सो देयर यू विल यूज might or could based on the possibility whether it is weak or extremely weak. So this sentence was based on terrible accident. This is extremely weak possibility, so you will write down could. Based on this, there is an exercise. This is exercise number 2 and this is the answer of the exercise. For example, the first one is perhaps the highway is blocked due to a recent landslide. So you will remove the perhaps word. The highway might, because within the bracket it's showing a weak possibility, so you will use might block due to a recent landslide. Might block, you will not write ed here, only block you will write down. See the second one, perhaps it is a topographic error. Now here remove perhaps, it could be you will write, because a weak possibility, so you are using could. Same way you have to complete this exercise. This is the answer. Student, hope you understood both of the topic of the models, that is where you will use permission and where you are using possibility. For permission you have to use may, can, could. Possibility you have to use may, might and could. Thank you student. Hope you like the video.